Perhaps today's video will inspire you to do a good deed just like this one, or this one, or maybe this. Kindness gives us hope, and a single act of kindness can change everything, just like in this man's case.
What is this, $100?
$100. Just to a random stranger.
These guys put some money on the hood of a car to make a stranger happy. She was so kind that she gave the money to a woman with a child. There is always someone who needs it more.
She paid it forward.
An entire stadium wished this special fan a happy 21st birthday during the game. Just listen to this. This man got a tattoo of a cochlear implant to support his son when the boy felt embarrassed to wear his hearing aid. This elderly lady was very upset that she'll never be able to see her favorite band in concert. And when they found out about it, they brought the concert to her home. Thanks to his father, this young blind fan learned that his idol, Messi, scored a goal. A driver lost his GoPro, which was picked up by a random passerby who practically completed a quest trying to return the camera to its rightful owner. A guy was watching this woman's live stream when he saw she was harassed by some men in the street. He recognized the location and realized he was nearby.
Thank you very much.
Students wanted to thank their favorite teacher for her efforts before she retired, so they gave her an iPad.
I'm a cry.
Yeah, we didn't buy you a pen.
This moped driver is pushing the car that ran out of fuel.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, jump in.
The bride was 45 minutes late to her wedding because 3 taxis turned her down due to intense traffic. If it weren't for a kind driver who spotted her at a pedestrian crossing, this wedding might have not happened.
Have a fantastic wedding.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
God bless you.
God bless you. Cheers. Bye.
This little girl brought some water to construction workers that were working on a hot day. A simple yet very kind gesture.
You're welcome.
An elderly man came to an adventure park without having enough money. This guy paid for his ticket, and look how happy that made him. This driver used his car as a bridge, allowing children to cross the road without stepping into a deep puddle.
Hey Mom, we have a surprise for you.
And this woman gave her mother a diamond made from her grandma's ashes.
Open it up!
It's beautiful. Oh.
This girl was crowned prom queen, but she decided to give her crown to a classmate with cerebral palsy who has to rely on a wheelchair. These guys had a tire puncture in the desert, and when they were looking for a spare, someone left a few bottles of water for them. When this motorcycle driver was hit by a car, the first thing he did was approach the driver, not to yell at her, but to calm her down.
Hey everybody, put on your cameras if you feel comfortable.
This professor was conducting his last lesson before leaving the school, and look at the surprise from his students.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hold them there. Hold them there. Hold on. I gotta take a screenshot of this.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
I need to remember.
If you're running out of ideas on how to approach women, here's one. This guy's bicycle was stolen and he had to walk 10 miles to get to work. While he was thinking of handing in his resignation letter, his colleagues went out and bought him a new bike. This man is paralyzed from the waist down. Just look at how difficult it is for him to move around. Fellow villagers really felt for him, so they came together and bought him a wheelchair. Amazing how much difference $360 can make.
8 years old, couple cane posts, sitting down by the...
To show their appreciation, graduating students gave their jerseys to the teachers who have had the most impact on their life.
kissing.
When this woman learned that her daughter's teacher takes several buses every day to go to and from work, she gave her a car as a gift, making the teacher beyond happy.
You're just so oh my gosh.
Would you like an umbrella?
If I am ever unexpectedly caught in the rain, I hope this guy is nearby. Take a look at this amazing surprise arranged by the birthday boy's neighbor when he noticed that the kid loves Jeeps. Due to an accident in 2020, this guy became quadriplegic. But his friends never stopped supporting him, even taking him for a ride on a jet ski.
We made it out here on the jet ski.
A group of volunteers came together to buy this boy a new wheelchair to replace his walking aid.
Lemonade? On a hot day like this? That's a great idea.
These guys met a boy named Leonard selling homemade lemonade every day after school and decided to encourage him by paying a little bit extra for a couple of servings of lemonade.
This for you.
Oh, wow.
Keep doing this. You guys are amazing. I love this. Have a good one. See you guys.
How you doing? You're amazing.
This guy asked a musician in a wheelchair to give him a guitar lesson. As a thank you, he gave him $500. This gift meant a lot to the musician, seeing as he lost his mother only 11 days ago.
My mother died 11 days ago. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to give you my guitar.
These people were driving past when they spotted fire on someone's porch. They knocked on the door to alert the homeowner and even put out the fire. This man named Jim has enough kindness even for his neighbor's flowers or the dogs he feeds twice a day. I wish I had a neighbor like that.
Stacy, where's Uncle Jim? Go get your treats.
This girl felt bad for the workers who had to clear the roads in very cold weather, so she treated them to some hot coffee. And these homeowners wanted to bring some joy to the delivery drivers bringing packages to their door, leaving some treats on their porch for them.
Thank you guys so much.
And this volunteer created a tool of collecting garbage on the beach, and look how much plastic he collected in just 15 minutes. Our planet will definitely be grateful for his efforts. And this guy ran out into a busy road to close the manhole. During the Rolling Thunder Motorcycle Rally on Memorial Day, Marine Tim Chambers saluted the lost soldiers for 5 hours. And several bikers not only saluted him, but offered him some water too. And this was a social experiment, and people passed the kindness test. These people struggled to cross the flooded street, when suddenly... And here's another example of a kind excavator operator. This guy fell asleep and his head would have kept hitting the back of the seat if it weren't for another passenger lending his hand to a stranger. This is what it looks like when a tough police officer does his daughter's hair. And here, a police officer gives the Queen's Guard some water. That's all for today. If you want more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and you won't miss out.